Good afternoon. This is the Simpler Trading Free video for November 11, 2024. What's this all about? Keying off things. Similar charts yield similar results in the same group. So what are we talking about in here? We're talking about the NASDAQ on the left, and we're talking about it filling the Sunday night gap. So the probability, when I saw this over here, and I saw the NASDAQ way overshoot the Sunday night gap, to me, the probability was the ES on the right was going to fill the Sunday night gap, which is what it did. So similar charts yield similar outcomes, especially if the charts are relatively correlated. So that's what we were watching. We were also watching that when NVIDIA went down over here, and we can take it on a 5-minute chart. So when NVIDIA went down in here, right here, right in that bear flag right in here from this morning, then it was more likely the NASDAQ was going to fill that gap if NVIDIA went down. And if this gap was filled, then the SPES gap would be filled, which is exactly what happened. This is what we have now. We have that the NASDAQ actually has not reclaimed the gap from Sunday night. And you have this. So tomorrow, I'm going to be keying off the biggies. Is this a bear flag? Or is this just the pause that refreshes for NVIDIA and then it has a next leg up? If it has another leg up, then I think you see the NASDAQ reclaim that gap and you have the ES have another leg up. That's how I'm looking at this right now. So that's how I'm going to look at it. On the other hand, you have the Russell still having going. So what we've done is we've built a watch list of a ton of small ideas. Our ideas were based on stocks that were in a daily over the 50 moving average, which to me determines that you're in an uptrend. And then we look for stocks that had relatively good charts. So a good chart to me means something that started to turn. So you could take a 1 hour chart, a 4 hour chart. You could take a $30 stock. You could take a $2 stock. They all worked. So just keep in mind, all of those worked, and we'll keep going for that. I will be back Wednesday. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.